using it two different ways. Is the first, you can just unscrew this and you can see your brush, and you can definitely using the brush. I'm going to show you is doing the brush. You can definitely brush it on the top of the frame and the metal if you need a bigger like a coverage, and on the top of your beads. Okay, and then close on the top piece right here. You open it, and here is your red cap to protect it, so don't throw it away when you get this. You should keep on the sides because you needed it when you need to close it back up. So now in the middle of all the crystal right here, I feel so scratchy right here. Even I feel scratchy even though I seals on the top. So you're gonna do a seal, just a little squeeze, just a little bit. Little go a long way. You are going to seal it, but don't put it on the top of your crystal, as you're gonna destroy the beautiful sparkle and shines of the crystals. So you're doing it right on the top of the beads in the frame, but not on the top of the crystal. And then cure for 60 seconds. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Wednesday. Again with this one, you're gonna squeeze it and then seals on the top of the beads and frame to prevent from getting it really tarnished, because we are washing our hands every day and then with hand sanitizer. So you want to make sure you are going to protect that and seals. And I'm gonna go and check on the edges, and then you feel scratchy, you're gonna squeeze it in. But if you each time you're gonna squeeze just that much, you don't want to flood it your crystal by using too much of your precision glue gel. Little go a long way. And then you can also repeat it as you need. And if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. But if you need to add more precision glue gel, make sure you flash cure for 10 seconds first, and then you go back and do it again. So I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds. You see how today is really simple, easy tutorials. Is not headache at all, easy to learn. You know, guess what? This is one of the way you can able to upsell your services to take your business to the next level. If you are watching or seeing one of the posts we're sharing with you, to be proud of you as a nail technician. If this is the message for all the nail technician or is potential nail technician, or any of you are thinking to be a nail technician. So besides the services you already provide for your clients, you can absolutely